Dear students, I am Devinder, your maths sir. Now you can see your class 8 maths. Now you can see your exercise 1.3 question number 3. Find x plus y division x minus y if x is equal 5 by 2, y is equal minus 3 by 4. First I am writing here what they have given in the question. X is equal 5 by 2 and y is equal minus 3 by 4. Once you can see here x plus y division x minus y means I am writing here x plus y as numerator, x minus y as denominator. First you can substitute the values 5 by 2 plus of minus 3 by 4 by 5 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4. But you know that here plus into minus, can I write it plus minus or not? Yes, minus 3 by 4. See here minus into minus, can I write here plus? Yes, 3 by 4. Now once you can see it, these are the like fractions, unlike fractions, unlike fractions. Can you do LCM or cross multiplication? Which is the better? You can do that one only. See here I am doing cross multiplication. Even though we are doing LCM also, we will get correct answer. Just I am writing here 5 4 ja. 5 into 4 minus 3 into 2. Is it okay? 5 into 4, 3 into 2. By 2 4 ja how much? 8 only. Division 5 4 ja. 5 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Division how much? 2 4 ja. 8 only. In the next step you can write here 5 4 ja here 20. 3 2 is 6 by 8. By see here this is all one number only. See here 5 4 ja here 20 plus 3 2 how much? 6 by 8. Here 8 cancel. Next here 20 minus 6 how much? Here 14. 20 plus 6 how much? 16. Sorry, 26. Is it okay? 20 minus 6 is 14. 20 plus 6 is 26. Just you can simplify it. 2 7 ja. 2 1 ja. 2 3 ja. That means your answer is how much? 7 by 13. In this way you can do the remaining problem. Now you can see here exercise 1.3 question number 4. Divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. First you can try to understand the question. What we need to find here, sum of the minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. That means we can do here addition. You know that in the previous class also how to do addition or not. That means I am writing here minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Just you can observe here these two are like fractions, unlike fractions, unlike fractions. So that you can do cross multiplication or you can do LCM, which is better one you. See I am doing here cross multiplications here. 5 7 ja how much? 35 you can write here. Next you can write here 13 7 ja. You can write here 13 into 7. Next you can write here plus 12 5 ja how much? You can write here 12 into 5. Very easiest problems. Try to understand this one. Minus 13 7 ja. 13 7 ja. First you can write minus 13 7 ja how much? 91. Plus here 12 5 ja how much? 60. 60 by how much it is? 35 you can write here. That means you are getting how much? Minus 91 plus 60. How much the result will be equal to here? 91 minus 60 means, sorry, minus 91 plus 60, which is the biggest number? 91. Having which symbol you can write here? Minus. Now you can subtract smallest number from biggest number. 91 minus 60 how much? 31. That means your answer is how much? Minus 31 by 35. This is the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. Next we need to find here product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So that I am doing here product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2 is equal. Just you can do multiplication only. Product means it is the multiplication. Minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. Just we need to find the product. Minus into minus how much? Plus only. You need not write once again plus. 13 1 how much? 13 only here. 7 2 how much? 14. Yes or no? 13 by 14. Once you can observe here what they are asking here. Divide the sum of. First we need to divide the sum. How much you got sum? Here minus 13 by minus 31 by 35. That means here I am writing here as per the given data we need to find minus 31 by 35. We need to divide sum with which one? By the product. What is your product result? 13 by 14. You can write here 13 by 14. That means I will write here minus 31 by 35. See here, this is the division. We need to change the division. You know that in the previous classes, just you can write your multiplication. After that, you can write your reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal of 13 by 14? Can you write here 14 by 13 or yes? Yes or no? We need to write the, whenever you have to remember here, to convert the division to multiplication, just you can write here multiplication and you can write the reciprocal of the given number. That means here 14 by 13. If it is any possibility, you can simplify it. You can see here 7 2 how much? 14 here. 7 5 how much? 7 5 how much? 35. Now you can see here minus 31 2 how much? Minus 62. By here 5 13 how much? 13 5 65. That means your answer is how much? Minus 62 by 65 is your answer. I hope you may understood. Now you can see here exercise 1.3 question number 5. If 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36, find that number. We don't know, first of all, you can assume here, let the number will be x. Let the number is x here. 2 by 5 of a number means, just you can write here 2 by 5 of a number is equals 2 by 5 into x. That means you can consider as here 2x by 5. In the similar way, 1 by 7 of the same number, that means here 1 by 7 into x is equal to how much? X by 7. As per the given data, once you can observe here, 2 by 5 of a number, 2 by 5 of a number is how much? 2x by 5. 2x by 5, which exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number. 1 by 7 of the same number will be how much? X by 7. Which exceeds how much it is? By the same number, by how much? 36. That means you can write here plus 36. That means you can write here, once you can observe here, 2 by 5 of the same number, that means here 2 by 5 of a number is exceeds, that means you can exceeds means you can take here addition. You can remember here exceeds means you can take here addition. By the same number means how much? Same number 1 by 7, that means x by 7. By how much? 36. Now you can solve this equation. Just you can convert the your variable to LHS. You know that how to convert here. 2x by 5 minus x by 7 is equal 36. In the next step, you know that how to do cross multiplication or LCM. 5 7 how much? 35 here. 2x into 7, you can write here 2x into 7 minus x into 5. That means can I write directly 5x? I hope you may understand. Next one I am writing here 36. See here 2 7 how much? 14x. 14x minus 5x. 14x minus 5x by 35 is equal to how much? 36. In the next step you can see here 14x minus 5x is equal, just you can transpose 35 to RHS. That will be equal to how much? 36 into how much? 35. That means here 14x minus 5x, it is equal to 9x or not? Yes, 9x is equal 36 into 35. Just you can do cross multiplication. 36 into 35 how much? If you know, you can do simplification, otherwise you can keep like that only. See here I am writing same only, 36 into 35. Now you can see we need to find only x value. So that can I transpose 9 to RHS? Yes. So that I am writing here x is equal 36 into 35 by 9. See here 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. So that only I am not multiplied. If it is possible you can multiply, but it will be take some more time. See here I am writing here x is equal 4 into 35. 4 into 35 means you can multiplication now do. See here x is equal 4 5 how much? 20. 4 3 how much? 12. 12 plus 2 how much? 14. That means x is equal to how much? 140. That means here the required number is how much? Therefore the required number x is equals 140. 140 is your answer. Now you can see here exercise 1.3 question number 6. Two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 by 10 meters are cut off from a rope of 11 meters long. What is the length of the remaining rope? First I am writing here the two pieces lengths are how much here? 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 3 by 10 meters. First you can convert them into improper fraction. How can you convert this? You can see here 5 to how much? 10. 10 plus 3 how much? 13 by 5 meters. Next one will be equal to 10 3 30. 30 plus 3 33 by 10 meters. 33 by 10 meters. These are the two pieces lengths. But once you can see it, the total length of the rope is how much? 11 meters. For example, I am taking here, this is the rope. This total length is how much? Just it is 11 meters. Is it okay? It is total length will be equal to 11 meters. But in the two pieces are cut off. That means this, for example, I am taking here, this will be from here to here. That will be I am taking here how much? Here 13 by 5. It will be taken as 13 by 5. Next piece will be equal to how much here? From here to here. It will be equal to 33 by 10. See, this piece length is equal to how much? 33 by 10 meters. Here how much? 13 by 5 meters. See, we need to find the remaining rope of the length. How can you find? Just you can guess it. See, just first you can add these two pieces lengths. Then you can subtract from 11 meters. That means total length of the rope. You will get the remaining piece length or not? Yes or no? Yes. So that I am writing here, the length of remaining rope is equals 11 meters. That means minus, just you can add it. Here 13 by 5 plus 33 by 10. 13 by 5 plus 33 by 10 meters. That means you need not write once again meters. Just you can take directly here. 11 means 11 minus here. 5 and 10. LCM is how much? 5 and 10. 10 only. See here. Next you can see. You can divide 10 with 5. 5 2 is 10. That means 2 into 13. You can write here 2 into 13 plus 10 1 is 10. That means here 33 into 1 is equal. See here 11 can be written as 11 by 1. Yes or no? Yes. Minus 12 13 ja 26. 26 plus 33 1 ja 33 by 10. That means you can write here 11 by 1 minus 26 plus 33. How much you are getting? 3 plus 6 here 9 only. 3 plus 2 here 5 only. That means here by 10. That means 11 minus 59 by 10. See here 1 and 10 LCM is how much? 10 only. That means I am taking here 11 10 ja. 11 into 10 minus 59 into 1. You are getting is how much? 11 10 is how much? 110. That means I am writing here 110 minus 59 by 10. 110 minus 59 by 10. See, 110 minus 59 by 10 means how much it is equal to? 10 minus 9 is 1 only. 10 minus 5 is 5 only. 51 by 10. 51 by 10. See here, it is a improper fraction or not? So that can I write into, you know that this is the length of the rope or not? That means you can write here 51 by 10 meters. If you want, you can write in mixed fractions here. 10 5 ja. How can you write? First you can see here 51 division 10. That means here 10 5 ja 50. That means remainder is how much? 1 only. That means you can take here, first you can write 5 as the integral part. Next you can write decimal part will be equal to here 1 by 10. See here 10 5 ja 50 plus 1 51 meters. This is equal to how much? This is equal to length of the remaining rope. You can write here answer as length of the remaining rope is equals 5 1 by 10 meters. This is your answer. Now you can see here exercise 1.3 question number 7. The cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of cloth is rupees 12 3 by 4. Then find the cost per meter. We need to find here cost per meter. First I am writing the given information only. You can see here the cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of cloth is equal rupees 12 3 by 4. So that you can convert it into mixed fraction to improper fraction. Yes or no? See, it is a mixed fraction or not? Yes, you can convert it into improper fraction. How can you convert? Just you can see 12 4 is how much? 48. 48 plus 3 how much? 51. Yes or no? You can write here 51 by 4. That means here rupees how much? 51 by 4. See, already what is the length of the cloth is how much? Length of the cloth is 7 2 by 3 meters. That means can I write here 7 2 by 3 also into improper fraction or not? Yes. 7 3 is how much? 21. 21 plus 2 how much? 23 by 3 meters. Is it okay? This is 7 2 by 3 meters is equals 23 by 3 meters. Now you need to find cost per meter. We need to find cost per meter. How can you find? You can see here, therefore cost per meter is equal the total cost of cloth. The total cloth of cost is how much? 51 by 4. 51 by 4 by length of the cloth is how much? 23 by 3 meters. 23 by 3. See here, to remove this division, you can write it as multiplication. How can you write? You can see here 51 by 4 into, just you can, in the place of division, you can write here multiplication and write the denominator's reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of denominator? 23 by 3. That means reciprocal will become equal to 3 by 23 or not? Yes, 3 by 23. If there is any possibility, you can simplify it. Is there any chance to simplify? It's not possible. 23 is a prime number, you know that. Here not possible, so that I am writing it 3 1 ja 3 here, 3 5 ja 15. 153 by 4 3 ja how much? 12 here. 4 2 ja how much? 8 only. 8 plus 1 how much? 92. See here 153 by 92. See, it is a improper fraction or not? So that can you convert into mixed fraction? Yes or no? So that I am writing here 153 division by 92. 92 1 ja how much? 92. 92 2 ja how much? It will near to 180. So don't take 2 times. You can take only 1 time. 92. You can subtract here. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 only. 15 minus 9 how much? 6. That means your answer is here 1 meter. Here 61 by 92. You can write here 61 by 92 is the cost per meter. That means you can write here rupee symbol. You can write here rupee symbol. Rupee symbol you can write here. Dash you can write here cost per meter. Cost per meter is equals rupees 161 by 92. This is your answer. See here, if you want convert it into decimal point, see it is, we have mentioned here mixed fraction. Yes or no? 161 by 92. If you want to write in decimal fraction, just you can take here one more time. See here 92 division 1 times you are getting how much? 61. See here 61 is less than 92 or not, so we cannot divide, so you can keep here decimal point and also you can take 0 here. 610 you are getting is how much? Here 610. See here 610. 92 how many times you can see here? 9 5 ja 45. 9 6 ja how much? 9 6 ja 54. It is nearest to 61 or not, so that you can take it 6 times. See here 6 2 ja 12. 6 9 ja 54. 54 plus 1 how much? 55. That means you can write here 50. 5. See here 10 minus 2 is how much? Yeah, 8 only. Here how much you are getting here? 0. That means 1 second you can take 10. 10 minus 5 is how much? 5 only. Yes or no? 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 5 minus 5 is 0. That means here remainder is how much? 58. Is 58 also less than 92 or not? Yes. So that you can take one more 0. Why? Because already decimal point is available. So you can take directly. So once again you can try 9 6 the 54. That means here 92 into 6. 92 into 6 you are getting is how much? 552. You can take here 552. That means here 10 minus 2 is 8 only. Here 7 minus 5 is how much? 7 minus 5 is 2 only. So here 5 minus 5 is 0. Still enough 2 decimal points. So that your answer is how much? 1.66. You can write here 161 by 92 or you can write here 1.66. You can take here 1.66 is your answer. Both are the correct answers. You can stop here also. You can write this one also correct answer. Now you can see here another question. Exercise 1.3. What number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 11 by 4? First I am taking here, let the number is x. Why? Because we don't know by which number we have to divide minus 33 by 16. We need to divide minus 33 by 16. That means I am writing here as per the given data. As per the given data. Or you can write as per the given problem. See here, as per the given data, see here, minus 33 by 16 should be divided. That means I am writing here minus 33 by 16 divided by, we don't know what number should be, yes or no, so that I am taking, what is that number I am taking here, let the number is x. It is, see here, by divided by 2 get minus 11 by 4. That means your result is how much? Minus 11 by 4. You can write here is equals minus 11 by 4. You can write here minus 33 by 16 by x is equal minus 11 by 4. Just you can see here, convert, that means transpose x to RHS. See here I am writing here minus 33 by 16 is equal, can I write minus 11 by 4 into x? Yes or no? Here x is doing division or not? So if I am transposing x to RHS, it is doing multiplication or not? Yes or no? Yes. That means here I am writing here minus 11 by 4 into x is equals minus 33 by 16. Is it okay? You know that a is equal b means b is equal a or not? I am writing clearly. See here, now you can transpose. We need to find x value. Yes or no? We need to find that number or not. So that I am transposing the remaining constant terms to RHS. I am transposing constant term to RHS. That means I am writing here x is equal, see here, minus 33 by 16 into, see here 4 is the denominator or not, so that it will become as a numerator, by 11 is the numerator will become as denominator. You can write here minus 11. Yes or no? Minus 33 by 16 into 4 by minus 11. See here, minus minus will be cancelled. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja cancel, 11 1 ja, 11 3 also cancel. That means you are getting is how much? X is equals 3 by 4. That means the required number will be equal to how much? 3 by 4. You can write here the required number. The required number is equals 3 by 4. This is your answer. Now you can see here exercise 1.3 question number 11. When the repeating decimal 10.363636 is written in simplest fractional form p by q and find the value of p plus q. Just this kind of problems we have already did. Once again I am doing, see here, let the number, that means here let the decimal number is, I am taking here x is equal 10.363636. Once you can observe here which numbers are repeating 36. That means here periodicity of the decimal is how much? 2 or not? Why? Because 2 numbers are repeating. Yes or no? 2 numbers repeating. So that I am writing here the periodicity of the decimal is 2. Yes or no? Yes. So here if the periodicity of the decimal is 2, we should multiply with equation 1 with which number? We need to multiply with 100. We get here, I am writing here 100 into x is equals 100 into 10.363636. That means you can write here 100 into x here is equal to 100x is equal. See here, whenever we are multiplying with 100, the decimal point will move to right side 2 digits. That means I am writing here, see here, this decimal point will come to here. That means you are getting is how much? 1036 plus 0.3636 and so on. Now you can take this is as 2. Now you can write here subtract 1 from 2. We can do here subtract 1 from 2. That means I am writing here 100x is equal to 1036.3636 minus here what is the first equation? X is equal to, you can write here x is equal to 10.3636 and so on. Now you can simplify it. See here 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, 0 0. Next here 6 minus 0 is 6 only, 3 minus 1 is 2 only. That means here 1026. You can see here 100x minus x means it is by default you have 1. That means 100 minus 1 is how much? 99x. Yes or no? 99x is equal to 1026. That means you can transpose 99 to RHS. That means you are getting is how much? X is equal to 1026 by 99. Once you can see, is there any possible to simplify? See here 9 plus 1 9 is how much? 18. See here 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. So that the two numbers will be divisible by 3. So that I am taking it 3 3 9, 3 3 9. Here how much? You can see here 3 3 9, 12 is remainder, 3 4 12, 3 2 6. That means you are getting is how much? X is equal to 342 by 33. X is equal 342 by 33. Is there any possibility? Once you can see here 33 will be divisible by 11 and 3 only. But once you can see here, is it divisible by 11? 11 3 ja 33, 12. Not possible. You can see here 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. See 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. Is it possible or not? So that 3 1 ja 3 11 ja 33. You can see here 3 1 ja 3. Remainder is how much? 0 only. That means you are getting here 4. 3 1 ja 3. 12 remainder 3 4 ja how much? 12. That means here x is equal 114 by 11. X is equal to how much? 114 by 11. Is it possible to simplify? It's not possible. So that once you can see here what they are asking here, see here, write in the simplest form of p by q and find the value of p plus q. See here x means, what is that here? X means I have written here 10.3636 is equal, see, is equal to how much you got here? 114 by 11. Now you can take here see here. Here p is equal to how much? 114. Here q is equal to how much? 11. Here p is equal to 114, q is equal to 11. In the problem they are asking, see here, you need to find p plus q. Yes or no? So that I am writing here p plus q is equal 114 plus 11 is equal to how much? 114 plus 11, 125. Yes or no? This is your answer. They need to find only p plus q. So that your answer is completed. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the remaining videos of this exercise in our 8th class maths playlist.